Pro-Trump supporters with law enforcement in U.S. Western Steps opening phase. Congress. The 6th of January 2021, Wednesday 1:17. Before concluding results in Congress joint session, President Donald Trump met at the Congress building on second day of pro-Trump events fueled by ongoing election allegations. A delegation, 3 judges at Court Columbia, a subcourt, told former President Donald Trump he approved a decision that could be sued by U.S. congressional building police officers who tried to hold Trump financially responsible for Washington rebellion on January 2. The verdict was Trump's latest loss, whose lawyers continue to claim that presidential immunity protects him from criminal prosecutions and civil cases. Lawsuits to hold Trump responsible for the Congress building rebellion may continue in the court. Rules may be challenged. Key players: judges, the District Court of Columbia, the United States, Sri Srinivasan, Bradley Garcia and Judith Rogers. Trump's lawyer John Sauer, special counsel Jack Smith, columnist E. Jean Carroll's Law Crime reported on Friday. A federal appeals court ordered that the district court's Congress House police officers commute to January 6, 2021. He also approved a decision he could continue trials seeking to hold Trump responsible for the U.S. congressional building uprising. In many cases, Trump's attorneys said Trump was still president the day supporters tried to disrupt the documentation of Joe Biden's 2020 victory. He argued that all his statements and actions should be seen as part of official duties and thus protected from such attacks. The panel of 3 judges opposed this view, which lower court issued on December 1. He supported his decision that presidential immunity allegations did not protect Trump from lawsuits demanding compensation for the alleged role he played in Congress building rebellion. The lower appeals court wrote in its ruling, when the first-term president chooses to run for the second term, his campaign to win re-election is not an official presidential act. Trump's lawyers also want Smith's election response case rejected on similar grounds. In a briefing to U.S. Columbia District Court appeals last week, Sauer wrote that no president, despite being dismissed in spite the plethora votes, could face criminal prosecution because his behavior acquitted by U.S. Senate. Trump said on social media that he was doing my duty as president by claiming that the election was mixed with cheating. The D.C. Circuit will listen to the oral discussions in this case on January 9. This week, a federal appeals court ruled that presidential immunity did not protect Trump from civil insult lawsuits filed by Carroll, the latter of which was scheduled to begin on the 16th of January. Why it matters: Friday's decision means that lawsuits against Trump by congressional building police officers could continue, and the next presidential immunity on January 9 is paving the way for his fight. Recommended resources: tour